Children, first question, children. See, they have given it trigonometric identities. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 3, find cos theta. This is the question. Okay, children, find cos theta. Cosecant plus cot is 3, find cos theta, children. So this is the question. Okay, children. So what we will write, children? Yes, children. So what we will do means cosecant means children, we know cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We all know that cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. What is cosecant square minus cot square? Cosecant plus cot into cosecant minus cot is equal to 1. Okay, children, but cosecant plus cot is already 3 they gave. So cosecant minus cot is equal to 1. So what is cosecant minus cot? We can write, children, 1 by 3. But already what is cosecant plus cot is given, children?
3.
Okay, so plus and minus 1 is cancel.
2
cosecant is equal to 1 by 3 plus 3. So 2 cosecant theta is equal to 3 LCM. 1 plus 9. This goes here, children. So what happens? Cosecant theta is equal to 10 by 6. 2 5s are 2 3s are. Cosecant theta is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, children, cosecant theta is equal to 5 by 3. Now, children, cosecant theta is 5 by 3 means, so children, sin theta will be how much? 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
Okay, children, we know sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay, so 3 by 5 whole square plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay, or else you can put in the triangle and you can find out like that also, you can do, no problem, children. So 9 by 25 plus cos square is equal to 1. This comes here. Cos square is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. Cos square is equal to 25 minus 9.
25 minus 9.
Cos square is equal to 16 by 25. Cos is equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. This is the answer. Like this you have to approach to your answers, children. Okay, anyone have any doubt in this, children? Also, if you don't have any doubt, second question. Okay, so cosecant minus cot is 2. Children, cosecant minus cot is equal to 2. What they are asking means find the value of cosecant square plus cot square. Okay, is asking find value of cosecant square plus cot square. Cosecant square plus cot square. Okay, children, this question they are asking. Children, please see here. Okay, so children, we know cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Okay, what is that? Cosecant plus cot into
cosecant minus cot is equal to 1.
But this is given as
2.
So
Cosecant plus cot is into 2 is equal to 1. Cosecant plus cot is equal to 1 by 2.
And cosecant
minus cot is equal to 2. Minus plus cancel.
So 2 cosecant is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2. 2 cosecant is equal to 2 LCM. 1 plus 4. So children, what happens, children? So cosecant is equal to 5 by 4. This is cosecant, children. Okay, cosecant is 5 by 4. Now let's find out cot. Okay, children. So please, children, see here. So 5 by 4 minus cot is equal to 2. This here. Cot is equal to 5 by 4 minus 2. Cot is equal to 4 LCM. 5 minus 8. Cot is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now this and this we have to substitute here, children, where cosecant square plus cot square is asking, children. Okay, children. Cosecant square plus cot square is asking. What is cosecant square, children?
5 by 4 whole square.
5 by 4 whole square. What is cot square, children?
Minus 3 by 4 whole square.
25 by 16 plus 9 by 16. That is 34 by 16. That is 70 by 8. This is the answer. Okay, children. I hope you are able to understand, children. Please check. This is how we are going to do, children. Next, third one. Okay, next. Value of sin square 20 plus sin square 70 is how much? Is asking what is the value of sin square 20 plus sin square 70. What is the value of sin square 20 plus sin square 70? Okay, children, sin square 20 can be written as cos square
90 minus 20 plus sin square 70. Cos square 70 plus sin square 70.
cos square theta
Cos
plus
square
sin square
theta
theta
is equal to 1.
what?
1.
So answer is
So
1.
1.
Answer is this is also 1. Okay, children. Next, so what is the next question? Means sine into cos. See, children, sine into cos 90 minus theta plus cos into sine 90 minus theta. Okay, is how much? So, children, this is sine. Cos 90 minus theta, sine.
Sine.
Cos sine 90 minus theta,
Cos.
Cos.
Sin
Sine
square
square
theta
plus
plus cos
cos
theta.
square 1.
is equal to 1. Okay, children. Next one. So, children, question is the value of find the value of sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, children. What is sin 4 theta? We can write, children.
Sine square whole square theta.
Minus cos square whole square.
Cos square whole square.
Children, this is a square minus b square. A plus b
Into a minus
b by sin square minus cos square. This is God. Sin square plus cos square is how much?
1.
1. Okay, next. Sixth question, children. Hope you are able to understand, children. Next, who will tell? Grishma, you tell, Nana. Secant plus tan is
Yes,
m.
sir.
Secant plus tan is m. Secant plus tan. Okay, find the value of secant 4 minus tan 4 minus 2 secant theta. Secant 4 minus tan 4 minus 2 secant tan theta. This value I want.
Okay.
This we can write as
Secant square whole square minus tan square whole square minus 2 secant tan.
this is in the form of a square.
A square minus b square. Secant square plus tan square
into
and secant square minus tan square
tan square.
minus 2 secant tan.
Then what we will do? This we will write it as 1.
We'll split it
Tan
again.
square is 1. Secant square minus tan square is 1 over. No
Okay.
need of- So what is left over? Secant square.
Secant square plus tan square minus 2 secant tan.
What we can write this as a square plus b
Secant
square
square
minus
plus
2ab.
minus tan
A minus b,
b
whole square.
square
What we can write? A minus b whole square.
whole square.
Okay. So he's asking what is the secant. That's all. No? So what is he asking? He's asking. 1 second. He's asking this value. No? 1 second. This is minus only. Yeah? 1 second. Let me see properly. Yeah, that is minus only. This is also minus. This is k plus. This is k plus minus we got. Secant square plus tan square minus 2 secant tan. That is. But we have question. Secant plus tan is m. This is a question. Secant plus tan is m. No problem. But children, we have secant plus tan is m, children. Okay, secant plus tan is m. So secant square minus tan square is how much, children? 1. Yeah, Grishma.
Yes, so secant square plus tan into secant minus tan equals to 1. M into secant minus tan equals to 1.
No. This is m, no? This is m.
Yes, sir. M into secant minus tan equals to 1. Secant minus tan equals to 1 by m.
Now we have to substitute this here.
Yes, sir. 1 by m whole square, 1 by m square.
The value of this is secant 4 minus tan 4 minus 2 secant tan is 1 by m square. Like that we have to say, children. Like that we have to do in exam if you get it. Okay, next question. Question is like that, children. Sin 4 minus cos 4 is 1. Children is saying sin 4 minus cos 4 is equal to 1. Question is find theta. Okay. Who will tell this sum? Srija, you will tell. Samhita, Vaishnavi.
Sir.
Who will tell?
Srija, sir.
Srija, you tell.
Sin square whole square minus cos square whole square equals 1. Sin square plus cos square. Sin square minus cos square equals 1.
This is also 1.
Sin square minus cos square equals 1.
Okay. Yeah. Sin square minus cos square is equal to 1. What will do?
Sine plus cos into sine minus cos.
No use of doing like that. No use of doing. We want what is the value of theta? Yeah. Srija, can we write cos square as 1 minus sine square?
Yes, sir.
Now tell.
Is equal to 1 sine square minus 1 plus sine square equals 1.
Just take it here.
Sine 2 sine square is equal to 2 sine square equals 1. Sine equals 1.
Sine theta is equal to sine 90.
90.
1 is sine. So what is the angle, children?
Theta is
Theta
90
equal
degrees.
90.
Theta is equal to 90 degrees. So children, like this, if it comes, you have to go to the answer like this, children. Okay. You may not be getting idea at that moment. Now, if you practice, you will get the idea, children. Okay. Next question. Okay, children. So cos 4 plus cos square sine square. Cos 4 plus cos square sine square plus sine square. Samhita, you tell. Next, cos square plus cos square sine square plus sine 4. Vaishnavi, Samhita.
Yes, sir. Vaishnavi.
Yeah, Vaishnavi, tell how to do this.
Okay, sir. So, cos 4 we can write as cos square whole square
Cos square whole square, okay.
plus cos square sine square
Plus cos square sine square
plus sine square
plus sine square, okay.
by cos square plus cos square sine square plus sine square whole square.
Okay, what is the use of writing like that? Yes, sir?
Sir,
Yeah.
cos square we can write as
Right.
1 minus sine square.
Okay, so what is the use of writing like that, Lana? So children, what we will do means cos 4 plus cos square sine square plus sine square, will write it as 1 minus cos square, children. Okay, first I am doing numerator, children. So denominator also will do same like that only. In this 4, what is common, children? Anyone? Cos square.
Cos
Cos
square.
square.
So what is left over? Cos square
Cos
plus.
square plus cos sine square
And in this, what is common, children? 1.
1.
So 1 minus cos square. No, it is of no use. If you do like this, it is of no use. Okay, it is of no use, children. It is also of no use. So he is asking this value, children. We have to find out this value. So question is correct. Cos 4 plus cos square sine square plus sine square. Cos square plus cos square sine square plus sine 4. What is this value? This is correct question, children. Yes, children. How shall we go ahead? Cos square whole square. Cos square sine square plus sine square. Okay, so let us write this as 1 minus sine square whole square cos square sine square. I am just checking, children. Let me check. If it's not coming, we'll go away with some other procedure. But it is also becoming very tedious process. Any other easy method we will do, children. Okay. So what shall we do? Easy method we will do, children. Any easy method? I wrote cos 4, yeah, cos square sine square plus 1 minus cos square, I don't know, children. So,
Sir, without changing sine square only, we'll keep it aside and we'll take cos square, the normal common.
and no, if you take common here, what is the use of that? Then this will
Will-
remain alone.
First, we'll try to cancel
Sir.
off cos square, sir.
Okay, sure. Cos square you want to take common.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
cos square plus sine square, very good, correct. Plus sine square, correct. What you said is correct. Now cos square. Here what will take common?
Sine square.
Very good,
Cos
fantastic,
square.
fantastic again. This is 1, this is 1. So what is left over? Cos square
Cos
plus
square
sine
plus sine
square.
square by cos
And this is
square.
also 1. Cos square plus sine square.
1 by 1.
1 by 1, that is 1. Fantastic, Nana. Very good. Unnecessarily I am thinking of so many other different procedures. Very good. See, children, if you practice now in exam, it will become easy like that question. If you see, you will do it very fast, children, instead of thinking. Next question, children. The next question is like this: 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 2. This is value. Then find the value of 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta. This is the question. This they gave, and this is asking to find out this one, children. Okay, children. This they gave, and they are asking you to find out this one. Wherever 2 is there, here sine, here cos it came. Wherever 3 there, here cos it. So what we will do means, children, this we will take and squaring on both sides we will do. Then you will get the answer. If like this question comes, see 2 has sine, no, here 2 has cos. Means sine changed into cos, cos changed into sine. So squaring on both sides you do, children, you will get. Anyone wants to say, children? Anyone wants to say? 2 sine plus 3 cos is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides.
2 sine plus 3 cos whole square is equal to 2 square. 2 sine
a square
plus 3 square cos square plus 2 into 2 sine plus 3 sine into 3 sine is equal to 4.
So children, wherever sine is there, we want to bring it cos. So I will write as 2 square into 1 minus cos square. Wherever cos square is there, I will make it sine square.
1 minus sine
don't
square.
Don't change this, children. Don't change this. Let it 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. So
12 sine cos is equal to 4.
Okay, children, now multiply 2 square minus 2 square cos square 3 square
plus
minus 3 square sine square plus 12 sine cos is equal to 4. Okay, children, now what we will do? This will take that side, bring 4 this side. 2 square 4, 2 square 4 cancel, children, only 9 is left over. 9 is equal to, this you bring here, 2 square cos
2 square cos square plus 3 square sine square
minus 12 sine cos. So 9 is equal to 2 cos. Okay, children, 2 cos or 3 sine first we can take, anything we can take. So 3 sine minus 2 cos whole square, children. This is the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This if you bring here, so 3 sine minus 2 cos is equal to root 9. So final answer is 3 sine minus 2 cos is equal to plus or minus 3. Be careful, children, like these questions. Wherever sine is there, cos came. Wherever cos is there, sine came. Just to do by squaring on both sides, change sine square and cos square, you will get the answer, children. Like that questions, if it comes, you should be in a position to do immediately, children. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, children. Instead of doing just the same sums again and again, we will do some typical sums, children. So our thinking capacity will increase, children. 11th question, not 11th, 10th question, children. So 10th question. 10th question is saying that sin theta minus cos theta is 3 by 5. Then what is sin theta cos theta? Very easy sum, children. Just you have to do squaring on both sides. Okay. Who will tell, children? Anvisa, can you do squaring on both sides? Sin minus cos whole square is equal to 3. Now mute your audio now, a lot of disturbance. Yeah. So children, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 9 by 25. This is 1, children. 1 into 2 sin cos is equal to 9 by 25. This comes here, this goes there. 2 sin cos is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. 2 sin cos is equal to 25 minus 9 by 25. So 2 sin cos is equal to 16 by 25. This goes here, children. So sin cos is equal to 16 by 50. So 2 8s are 2 25s are. So final answer is 8 by 25. This is the value of sin cos. This is the value of sin cos. Okay, children, hope you are able to understand. So please practice, children, like this sums, then you will get to understand, children. 11th question. So 11th question is like this, children. Sin square 2 plus sin square 4 plus sin square 6 up to sin square 90. What is the answer? This is the question. Sin square 2, sin square 4, sin square 6 up to sin square 90, children. Okay, children. So please see here, children. Sin square 2. This children, this what children, this is sin square 4. Okay, this is sin square 6. From last I am showing, children, try to understand. Sin square 90, sin square 90 only, no problem, children. Just children, sin square 88.
88.
Sin square 88, what we can write, children? cos square
cos
2.
square 2.
Okay, children. In the same way, sin square 86 will be there, no, children. What we can write that?
Cos
Cos square 4.
In the same way, sin square 84, what we can write, children?
Cos square 6.
Cos square
So
6.
sin square, cos square, 1, this is 1, this is 1. All of them are becoming 1, children. All of them are becoming 1. So, children, all of them are becoming 1. So, 0 to 90, half of them are becoming 1. Means up to 88. Children, 88 are there. 88 by 2 is 44. Okay, 44 ones are coming, children. Try to understand. This is 1. Okay, children. This is 1. This is 1. Like that, how many ones are coming, children? 44 ones are coming. Plus, this sin square 90 is also 1. So, answer is 45. Am I correct, children? Any disturbance? Any deviations are there? Is it 44 correct only? Yeah, because half of the 88 is 44. Because this is 1. This is like that, 44 ones will come. And this will be there. There in the middle, that is also left over, children. Okay, so like that you have to understand, children, and you have to do. Anyone have any doubt with this? Let me check the answer, children. I will check the answer, don't worry. 11th question answer is wrong, children. This is 23. This is 23. Wrong. Why it is 23? This is wrong, children. Because so, children, because
Sir, alternate
are
are there, no, sir?
yeah, alternate numbers.
44 by 2, 22 plus 1, 23.
Yeah, 44 is direct numbers. By 2 is 22. 22 plus this one, 23, children. Because these are alternate numbers. I took direct numbers. 88 by 2 is direct numbers. But not consecutive numbers. Alternate numbers are coming. So 22 plus 1, 23, children. So you should be careful, children. Very, very logical question, children. Should be a little bit careful. If not, how I did wrong, like that, or you will also do wrong, children. Next, sin square theta. Children, if sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 2 by cos square theta is equal to 1. Question is, find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Okay, children. So what we will do, children? This we will take it here, children. So sin square minus 3 sin theta plus 2 is equal to cos square theta. Okay, children. So cos square, everything is in sin theta, no, children. Let us put this also in sin theta. What I will do? Sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 2 is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This I will bring here, children. Sin square plus sin square is how much, children?
2 sin square minus 3 sin plus 2.
Minus 3 sin theta plus 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to 0. Split the middle term, anyone? Split the middle term. 2 sin square minus 2 sin theta minus 1 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. In this, what is common?
2 sin
common, sir.
2 sin common,
sin minus 1 minus 1 common, sin minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 sin minus 1 into sin minus 1 is equal to 0.
Sin is equal to
Sin theta is equal to 1. 2 sin theta is equal to 1.
Sin is equal to 1 by
1 by 2.
90.
Theta is equal to sin 90.
Theta is
equal to 90 degrees.
Sin is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 45.
Sin 45. Is it 1 by 2 is 45? No, 30. 30.
Oh, 30.
Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Like that you have to do. Slowly, if you do, you will understand the sums, children, rather than instead of unnecessarily practicing the same old questions again and again. If you do some new sums, children, what happens? Our thinking capacity will increase, children. Fast, we have to think in exams. Maybe yours is Corona batch, children. If it is Corona's batch, don't think that we should not think. Okay, you have every right to use your thinking capacity, children. So, if cos plus cos square is equal to 1, find sin square plus sin 4 is how much? This is the question. Hasit, can you tell how to do this sum? Hasit, cos plus cos square is equal to 1. Find sin square plus sin 4.
Ostera. Go away.
Yeah, Hasit.
Yes, sir.
Will you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to do?
Cos plus cos
Bring
square
this
is
here. I will help you.
cos equals to 1 minus cos square.
Okay.
Cos equal to sin.
Cos equals to sin square.
Squaring on both sides.
Squaring on cos square equals to sin power 4.
Cos square we can write
Sin, sin power 4. 1 minus sin square. Yes, prove. 1 equals to sin power 4 plus sin square.
Okay, next question, children. Very good. So, children, if tan cube minus 1 by, okay, tan minus 1 is equal to a secant square plus b tan. This is the question. What is the value of a plus b? This is the question. Okay, children. Anyone wants to say this? Children? Tan cube minus 1 cube by tan minus 1 is equal to a secant square plus b tan. Children, a cube minus b cube, if ever you remember, a
Tan
minus
minus
1
b
into a square
square
plus
minus plus
b square plus ab by tan minus 1 is equal to a secant square plus b tan. This called, children. Okay. So tan, what we have, children? Tan square plus 1 is what, children? Secant square plus tan is equal to a secant square plus b tan. Okay, children. Instead of a, who is there, children?
1.
Instead of b, who is there, children?
1.
1.
That's
One,
it.
two.
That's it. Like that. Hope you are enjoying the sums, children. Very easy sums, children. Okay. Next question. 15th question. So, children, 15th question. What is the value of cosecant minus sine? Cosecant minus sine. Riddhi is a secant minus cos into tan plus cot. Nana, Riddhi, can you help me how to do this? Cosecant is? Riddhi, secant is? Tan is? Okay, what is the LCM, children? Sine 1 minus sine square. What is the LCM, children?
Cos 1 minus cos square.
What is the LCM, children?
Sin cos. Sin square plus cos square.
Children, 1 minus sine square is what?
Cos square by sin
1 minus
into
cos square is
sin
what?
square by cos into 1 by sin cos. Sin square cos.
Answer is 1. Okay, children. Next. Okay, children. Next, 1 by 1 plus sine. Okay, plus 1 by 1 minus sine is equal to k secant square. What is the value of k? Okay, children. Very easy question. Okay, Varshini, you done? LCM of this?
1 plus
This gone. This will go up.
1 minus sin A
This gone. 1 plus sine is equal to k secant square. Okay, plus sine minus sine.
cancel.
So 1 plus 1 is 2.
2 divided by 1 minus sin square
1 square minus sine square.
equal
K
to a
secant square. So 2 by
cos square theta secant square theta. K is equal to 2.
k is equal to 2. Okay, children. Next one. I hope you are enjoying the sums, children. 17th question. Yatin, are you there or sleeping?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are. So under root of, please see the question. Minus 4 plus under root of 8 plus 16 cosecant 4 plus sine 4. Okay, this is equal to a cosecant plus b sine. What is the value of a and b? What shall we do? What happened? This is what you can write.
Sir, for
And
Okay, mute your audio now, mute your audio. Lot of disturbance. So children, under root of minus 4 plus under root of, children, this is the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Because cosecant square sin square gets cancelled. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this we can write as 4 cosecant square plus sin square whole square. Okay, children?
square root of
So on the root of root square cancel minus 4
minus
plus
4 plus 4 cosec square plus sin square.
4 cosecant square plus sin square. Okay, children? So what will take common, children? This also we can write it as, this we can write as 2 cosecant whole square plus sin square minus 2 into 2 cosecant into sin, which is nothing but 4. Again this is in the form of 2 cosecant minus sin whole square. This gone. So finally 2 cosecant minus sin is equal to a cosecant plus b sin. So what is the value of a, children? 2. What is the value of b, children?
Sir, we got
1.
minus, there it is plus.
Why not?
We got 2 cosecant minus sin, we got 2 cosecant plus sin.
So what? That's why it's called b is equal to minus 1, I said.
Oh, okay.
I said b is equal to minus 1, no problem. Next one, children. Next one. So next one, children, what they are asking is, 18th question they are asking, children, what is the root of 1 minus cos square into secant square? What is the value of 1 minus cos square secant square? Tanush is equal to k tan theta.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of k?
Sir, first, like under root 1 minus cos square is sin square into secant square is equal to k plus tan square, tan theta, sorry.
Okay.
Sin into secant is equal to k plus tan.
Okay.
Secant is 1 by cos.
Okay. Sin by cos is?
Sin by cos is tan. Tan is equal to k tan theta. K is equal to 1.
K is equal to 1. I hope everyone are copying, children. Okay. Next question. So children, the question is tan theta plus 2. Tan theta plus 2 into 2 tan theta plus 1. Grishmita, can you tell this? Is equal to a tan theta plus b secant square theta. Grishmita, can you try this sum? Then what is the value of AB? Means A into B. AB, that is A into B, they are asking, children. Okay, so children, yeah, mute your audios, children, all of you. So tan into tan is how much, children? 2 tan square.
2 tan square.
Tan into 1, tan.
Tan.
2 into 2,
4 tan.
4. 2 ones are 2.
2.
Okay, children. So
2
what shall
tan
we
square
do?
plus 5 tan plus 2.
2 tan square
Plus 5 tan.
2 tan square plus 5 tan plus 2.
Plus 2. Splitting.
Shall we split them into?
Yes, sir.
2 tan square plus 4 tan plus 1 tan plus 2. Because 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. If you take 2 tan common, 1 common, tan plus 2. Okay, children. So what is happening, children? So, but what is the thing means here he is asking 2 tan. Okay, no problem, we'll do it, children. But what he's asking? Tan theta, secant square. Okay, no, children. We have to go according to the question. Of course, we can do like this also, but let's go according to the question. He is asking a tan theta plus b secant square theta. Okay, children. So, in this both 2 is common, children. 2 tan square plus 1 plus 5 tan theta is equal to a tan theta plus b secant square theta. Tan square theta plus 1?
Secant square theta.
Secant square theta plus 5 tan theta is equal to a tan theta plus b secant square theta. So children, secant square gone, b is equal to a tan gone, a is equal to
5 to the 10.
In this way we can do so many sums, children. Okay, how many sums you do, that much perfect you will become, children. Anyone have any doubts in this?